Okay, now we'll take properties of subtraction. Okay, like addition. Addition also has some properties we have discussed. Now properties, there are some properties of subtractions also. Okay, there are mainly three properties of subtraction, so we'll discuss. Okay, first properties is zero property of subtraction. Okay, see what happens in this property. See, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. See, when you will subtract 0 from 8, you will get 8, right? When you subtract 0 from 14, you will get 14. When you will subtract 0 from 12, you will get 12. So this tells us when we subtract 0 from a number, so the difference will be itself. Okay, as you all know, this is what? This is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. So once again I am repeating, when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. Okay, now we'll take our second property, that is, if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Okay, now see what happens in this property. If you will suppose I am subtracting 8, okay, from itself, 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 means we are subtracting 8 from itself, right? So when you subtract 8 from 8, you will get 0, right? Same, if you will subtract 9, no, we'll take some big digit now, 45 from 45. Okay, when you will subtract 45 from 45, you will get 0. So this tells us that if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Okay, now our third property. In subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Okay, see, in addition I have told you that order doesn't matter, right? But in this, order matters. Okay, see how, suppose here I am taking for 3 I am taking 9 and 3. Okay, see, if you will subtract 3 from 9, and if here you will subtract 9 from 3, so you will we don't get the same answer now. See, if you will subtract 3 from 9, okay, what will you get? You get 6. If you will subtract 9 from 3, you can't subtract 9 from 3, right? Because 9 is greater than 3, you have to take one borrow from, if you have something, okay, so you have to take borrow from that number, right? So this tells us that when we so see, we can say 9 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 9. Okay, that means in subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Okay,